So today you and I are going to go over Judith McAllister's "Oh Give Thanks." It's a gospel tune. It's a standard in the gospel community. So you're going to get this under your fingers and you'll be sweet. You'll be good to go. Now this song, don't be intimidated. It sounds like there's a lot going on, but there's actually not. A lot of the shapes and chords that you're seeing are actually just repeated over and over again. This song is really, really simple. It's very important in gospel music to know the lyrics. And this song simply says that the A section is, "Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good, for he is good." Repeats that over and over, right? There's a lot of more complex harmonic information, but the gist of it and like the lyrical message is the most important. And you'll see why in a second. And the B section is literally, "For he is worthy, for he is worthy, so he is, for he is good, for he is good." Okay, it's like a very, very simple message. Now, if you're new to gospel music, new to gospel guitar, one thing that's different about gospel than other genres is that every time there's a new lyric, there's a new melodic phrase, you are going to change the chord. So here's what I mean. If you're used to coming from like the Eagles and you're used to like, "Well, I've been running down the road trying to loosen my load." Great song, but like literally they'll hang on G and then they'll sing the melodic phrase, right? Like, and you'll hang there. But for gospel song like this, "Oh Give Thanks," you're going to want to know every inversion of the chord so that you can mimic the vocalist if needed, right? So the melody is, and you're going to play chords that outline that. So literally, da, do, da, da. So like every time there's a new lyric, there's going to be a new chord. Don't be intimidated by it. We're going to go over all the little chords, the ins and out. But if you're new to the genre, I just want to have that as like a precursor, an introductory statement, because that can be confusing to some folks. All right, let's get into it. Let's go get into the A section, which is, "Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good, for he is good." Okay, so we're going to start off with this triad shape. It's in the key of B flat major. So we're going to start off with this triad shape, which is on the D string 8, 7, 6. And we're going to just get that melody. We're going to try to strum the G, then the B string. And then we're going to play an E flat major 7 chord. So if you're unfamiliar with this, I'm literally just barring the 6th fret, and then I have my 7, 6, 7 as far as the frets are concerned. It's almost like you're reading a tab. That's how I'm trying to communicate this to you. Okay? And then our third chord, "unto the," is actually the same as the first chord, which is literally just this shape, scooted down here. So my ring finger's on the 1st fret. So it's, okay? And let's finish out the phrase, and we're just going to play literally like an A chord, but just scooted up 1 fret. Okay, so that's our, that's like, let's review so far. So we're gonna play the first chord to E flat major, to an F, to a B flat. All right, we're basically halfway through the A section. And then we're gonna play this chord, which is a dominant chord, a D7, which is just 5, 4, 5, starting on the A string. Then we're going to play a G minor 7, which is bar the right here, bar 3rd fret, then have your ring finger on the 5th fret A string. And then you're going to play this. Remember how we were just playing this B flat major chord? Well, you're just going to scoot it up 2 frets. And if you're feeling fancy, you feel like you really want to go the extra mile, get some extra credit, put your ring finger right here on the 7th fret. That's that Jimmy chord, that a major chord, 1st inversion. So far we have and then let's go back to this little shape over here. Remember, we it's the F chord. We played it earlier, like 2 seconds ago. All right. So let's go over this whole phrase. This is the A section, literally, and we're halfway done with the entire song. B flat. Okay, and remember this B flat is the same as this F. So we're gonna start, "Oh, give thanks," to the E flat major chord. F chord to a B flat major, B flat, 4 to the D7 to a G minor. He is good, C. It's literally the same chord as the B flat, just screwed it up 2 frets, right? For he is good. Okay, they're just gonna repeat that. That happens twice. And then when we want to go, I use this arrow because it's like we're gonna go to the next section, and then the B section just goes E flat major 7, which we've already gone over that chord, to a D minor 7, and this you're just barring the 5th fret right here, and then you got your ring finger right here on the 7th fret D string, your middle finger right here on the 6th fret B string. Scoot it down 2 frets, C minor 7, same shape though, to a B major 7, and then repeat that whole phrase. Worthy, D minor 7, C minor 7, B flat major 7, and then we just repeat for he is good, which is D7, G minor 7, he is good, C, F for he is good. And then if we want to do that B section, which the B section usually happens twice, do that shape again, and everything repeats. So let's put it all together, okay? Let's play it how you'd play the normal song, right? Like if you were playing along on a Sunday. So the chords are literally just B flat major. So oh give thanks, E flat major, F to B flat, D7, G minor, C, F. All right, let's play that again. Now we're gonna do the next part, this chord, right? The A flat over B flat, and then worthy. So E flat major 7, D minor 7, C minor 7, B flat, D7, G minor, C, F, B flat sus, and then E flat major 7, D minor 7, C minor 7, B flat, D7, G minor 7, C, F. All right, now I'm going to play through slow so you can play along with me, no talking. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions below. A lot of chordal information, but a lot of the chords that you are hearing repeat themselves. They recycle over and over again. So do the work up front and it'll lighten your load later on in your journey.